What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Moto Gumption YouTube channel. Today we are working on the RAFFLE bike again. Now today we'll be focusing on getting the new handlebar as well as the new adjustable levers right here and the stock grips back on the bike. So without further ado, let's get to it. So first thing is we're gonna go ahead and remove everything that keeps this handlebar attached to the bike. That includes the lever attachments, the headlight attachments, the ignition switch on and off, the horn, everything's coming off. And then lastly, we're gonna go ahead and remove this cap to lift the handlebar off. So first thing is we're gonna go ahead and do that. A little bit of a magnetic base to go ahead and keep all our bolts secure and not lost. We're gonna go ahead and start it, guys. All right, so one side down is actually pretty easy. A few bolts, a few screws, and everything comes off. It's really nice because these bars have holes already, so you don't have to like adjust or guess where these things actually go. You just slip it right back in where it's supposed to go and tighten it back up. All right, on to the next. All right, so this thing is on there, so maybe it might be the best course to remove it going this way. That feels a lot easier. See? All right, so we'll think about this when we put on the other one, just in case it's not a nice fit. All right, come on. There we go. Voila. All right, so we have now removed everything. I think this is now a weapon. Some kind of boomerang, maybe? No. Anyways, let's keep on going, guys. All right, so now that we have the handlebar off, which that looks kind of goofy, we're gonna go ahead and put the new one on. Before that though, I still have the naked lights bracket. So this thing will be coming off and I will be selling the naked light as a kit. It'll come with the gauge cluster cover over there, the in-style, European style light, and of course the mounting bracket. So anybody who might want that, just hit me up in the comments or hit me up personally on Facebook and I'll get you guys a good deal. Cheaper than you'll find online, that's for sure. All right, so we have the bracket now off and hello, we got a complete kit that will be for sale. So hit me up, guys. Now for some reconstruction of the motorcycle. New handlebars going back on. This should be quick. I know that this will be a pain in the butt to get on if I don't do it right now, so we're gonna go ahead and try to... Ooh, please be gentle, baby, please be gentle. Don't scratch, don't scratch. There we go, that should be good for now. That looks about even. Make sure that's where we want it for now. We can always make adjustments later on this. Not a big deal. All right, this is temporarily until we get the actual grip on here and move everything over. All right, here we go. All right, new grips, love it. Went to the bathroom and I kind of stole something from my girl. So quick little trick, hairspray. Hairspray is great for silicone couplers, rubber couplers, or rubber tubes trying to go in fittings or barb fittings, and they're a little bit tight. So hairspray acts as a lubricant to get the silicone or rubber to slide on whatever part is needing to mate to, but then when it dries, it acts as a glue because it's sticky. So, I mean, all my couplers and stuff are slid on that way. I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the grip on the left-hand side of the bike. Now this is not the final angle of the lever, but once we get to a position where we actually want them, I will readjust them and make sure they're right where we want them. And let's go ahead and change out the levers now. Today's progress is pretty much done. I did get all the handlebar stuff done. We got the grips on, we got the levers, and I went ahead and put the weighted bar ends on for good measure. It looks pretty good, pretty at home if I do say so myself. It will look even better once we get the fairings on. And speaking of fairings, so I did have an episode where I showed all the body panels. Now on that particular video, I did not like the coloring of the video. It didn't really portray what the true colors are of these body panels. Don't mock me, I actually think I did a pretty good job on giving you a representation of what it looked like on the frame. Yes, doesn't look too bad. Now, if you can actually see here, it's more of a red than an orange. Again, the lighting here is not the best. It's white light, but it does reflect what the true colors are here. So we have this beautiful red, and of course with the gray, which everybody knows. And I mean, it looks pretty good. Yes, I did use a assortment of things to prop everything up. I do have the Copper Dog windscreen that'll go up there on the front fairing, and I do have the lower tail pieces that will mount right here. Okay, so as far as parts go, I am actually ordering right now some of the pneumatic parts I need. This is just going to be stuff that's going to tie into the 3-bar map sensor, the power commander, you know, everything that has to do with boost pretty much and fittings. So I'm going to go ahead and order these doodads right now just to get them bought. I don't want to show my address. I'm going to go ahead and buy these other connection fittings that are very much needed. We're going to go ahead and buy now and swipe over. As for today, that is all I got for you guys. Again, handlebar, all that stuff on. Give you one more look at what it should look like on the motorcycle, which is not bad. If you guys like the content, please like, share, subscribe. I know this garage is getting old, okay? I promise. I'm trying to get out of here, guys. I want to do more film. I want to do other stuff. I want to get more on the road. I want to do stuff at the track. But right now, with COVID and everything, things have been hard, especially with my family. So if you guys like the content, please like, share, subscribe, do one of those 3 things. It really does help the channel out. We are growing steadily. We're past 325 subscribers. I would love to get 500 by the time we get this thing on the raffle. But I will say this, on the next one, I do plan on getting these superchargers started to get mounted. And this is actually a pretty easy process. So once I get there, guys, things will be running very smooth, and hopefully we can hear this thing start right up. All right, that's all I got for tonight, guys. I'll see you later.